Hello friends, this is poem number 3, CBSE 11th class, written by Walt Whitman, an American poet. He was American poet, so essayist, he was journalist, one of the most influential poets. Because there were other great influential poets like Robert Frost. And then he was father of free verse, free blank verse, means unrhymed lines. Blank verse means lines are unrhymed. Rhymes, A, B, B, etc. we say. So this is unrhymed lines. That's why it is called blank verse. Actually the poem is a celebration of rain. Celebration of rain. Isn't it? Celebration of rain. And very interesting thing to remember is that Walt Whitman knows rain language. Otherwise he cannot communicate like this now. Rain language he knows. And another point to note is that it awakens the dormant spring season. April is the season of spring season. It's a very famous poet in English, Geoffrey Chaucer. Geoffrey Chaucer. He has written a collection of stories called Canterbury Tales. And to that he wrote the prologue, introduction, Canterbury Tales. You might have heard of this, very famous. Then he says, April, he also celebrates rain. When that April lay with his shooter, written in Middle English. When that April with its sweet showers. So April showers are sweet showers. Because the dormant spring suddenly gets awakened. That's it. So it's a celebration of rain. It's a rain poem, we can say. There are rain poems out there. You remember, rain, rain, go away, come again under the little Jamu wants to play, rain, rain, go away, like that. So you have got like that. So, but this is a celebration. That is the wish, or you can see, of the mind of a small child who wants to play. Now here, the title is a very interesting one. You will find almost the same title in Song of Solomon chapter 2, 10-13. That is the voice of the turtle. That is the voice of the turtle. The voice of the turtle. This is in this. So the change is only here. Instead of the voice of the rain, the voice of the turtle. That's about the title. So celebration of rain. And it is a tale of 3 cities. You have come across the tale of 2 cities now. Charles Dickens' novel, where you have got Darnay, Lucy and all those characters written in the background of French Revolution. But this is a tale of 3 cities. Which are they? That is, you have got see the eternal eye rise, impalpable, out of the land, then, and the upward heaven, and sea. Yes. Land, sea, and upward to heaven. Listen. So, land, sea, then heaven. So it is a tale of 3 cities. Yes. Isn't it? Yeah. And then this is a very short one. You have got lines 9 and 10 are not part of this poem. Part of this poem in the sense that not the words of the rain, but line 3 onwards, of course, we have got the words or the reply or the answer given by the rain. Isn't it? And for 1 and 2, there's a question. It's written in the form of a dialogue. Because Walt Whitman knew the language of the rain. There are many people like that. Some people know the language of birds. Some people know the language of wind. Some people know the language of sea. And some others know the language of rain. So here he says, "And who art thou?" said I to the soft falling shower. See, he doesn't say about the soft falling rain, but soft falling shower. Again, it makes a sound now. That is. So he had the sound. He might be sitting in his courtyard, or in his room, or on his on the portico of his bungalow or building or the house, whatever it is. So he's asked, who are you? What is happening here? Then, which strange to tell, give me an answer as here translator. This translator here means that is interpreter. I know the language of rain, so I have explained it, or interpretation, so to say. And I am going to tell you what the rain told me. So the first two lines is a question like this. He hears this rain, the shower, the sound of the shower, the soft falling shower, and he is asking, who art thou? Then the rain understood human language. This is a very special type of rain who can understand the human language. And the rain says, I am the poem of earth. Poem of earth, very important because it's music. The rainfall, if you watch the rainfall, you will find it is like music. The musical notes. Sometimes it will go up, sometimes it will come down. I am the poem of earth. Said the voice of the rain. Then he says, see, I am not my span of life is not limited. It says eternal. See, it is cyclically. It says. So eternal I rise impalpable out of the land, and he says then out of the land, and the bottomless sea. Bottomless sea. So land is one place, then bottomless sea is another. Upward heaven. So this is my journey. So what happens is here, this is the land, this is the bottomless sea, and this is heaven. Let's say like this, heaven. So it rises from here and rises from here, and then it moves here. Afterwards, what happens? It falls down to here. So that is the moment you can see. So eternal I rise, impalpable. Impalpable means you cannot see me, you cannot touch me. The vapors, steam, you cannot touch, you cannot see with your naked eye. So eternal I rise impalpable out of the land. You can see that. You cannot see it, but I am there. I am like a spirit. And the bottomless sea. That also you cannot see. It's all beyond your vision, beyond your experience, so to say. And fifth line, upward heaven, where vaguely formed. So whence vaguely formed. So when I go up, sometimes you can see vaguely, that not clearly. You cannot see me clearly, but I am vaguely formed. Sometimes you find, that is clouds which are very, very thin cloud you can see, but not formed well. So still you are unable to see with your naked eyes. So whence vaguely formed, altogether changed and yet the same. So the form may change. Starts with the vapor, then it may be something like a thick steam, and I will be spreading my wings in the blue sky and covering it, and even threatening the rays of the sun. That's the thing. So that is, you can see though, when the sky is overcast with clouds, you cannot see the sun or the rays of the sun. So this is what I do. I am not doing any harm, that's only for 1 or 2 minutes. It is altogether changed and yet the same. I descend to love the droughts. What do? First what happens is my origin, then my action. See, I am born. I grew up, I change my form, then after that, when it is matured enough for me to come down, I will come down. I descend to love, means wash. Love means wash the droughts, means dry places. Atom is small, small dust particles, dust layers of the globe. So this is what I do. My origin is eternal. Eternal means it happens every year. It doesn't stop at any time. It continues. It's a continuous process. So I go up, then I am formless. After some times I get a form. When it is ready for me to come down, I come down. See that? And what do? I wash the earth, I have dust particles, dust layers of the globe. And all that in them without me were seeds only. So there are seeds. As I already told you, when that April with its showers sweet. When the April comes with the sweet showers, all the dormant seeds will start, say to they will get life. Germinate, start germinating. So all that in them without me were seeds only. Latent means hidden, unborn, unable to come out. And forever, by day and night, I give back to life to my own origin. That's a very interesting thing. So my origin, from where did I originate? My origin is from the land, from the sea also, bottom of the sea also. But land comes first. What do? That which gave me life, I am giving life back to. So it's a sense of gratitude, isn't it? Isn't it? You help somebody and that person helps you. So it's a very beautiful imagery of gratitude, something that we should practice. So it says, and forever, by day and night, I give back to life to my own origin and make pure and beautify it. This is what happens. Make pure and beautify it. Now this is a wonderful poem in the sense that it can be, you can apply this to the life of a student, the relation between a student and a teacher, or you can say parents and children. See that? Because what happened, the origin, your parents, then you go, you grow, you are formless in the beginning, then what happens is you grow up, you become a mature person, you become a great scholar or something, or learned engineer or some great person, and then you work hard and you come back and you beautify. You give back to life to your own origin and make pure and beautify it. What a wonderful idea, isn't it? In this age, you have seen now people, old people, parents, they file suits against their own children because they don't look after them. So in fact, if they read this poem, I think that will be a subject of meditation for all of us. Understand? So this is, you should understand that situation. Then it's over. After that he says, but it's bracket, it is not part of the answer given by the rain, and therefore for song is, so in this case he is applying this to songs and poems, Walt Whitman. But it can be applied to anything in life. Anything that requires gratitude. Understand that? You remember now, in the Bible there is a story, 10 lepers were cured and one came back, and then the 9, Jesus asked, where are the 9? See, so only one person thought of going back. Going back is a very important lesson in our life. Understand that? You should go back to where you began. This poem tells you that. I think this is the most important lesson that you are going to put into practice in your life. That is looking after your parents, being grateful to your teachers, and also anyone who has in any way helped you. Oh, it is such a beautiful, wonderful lines. That's it. And forever by day and night, I give back to life to my own origin. Very important. Is that? Make pure and also beautify it. For song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering wrecked or unwrecked, duly with love returns. So that is the the comments made by Walt Whitman. He is, of course, immediate context is thinking about his poems or any poem, any work of art. Any work of art is, once it is written and published, then it is the property of the public. They read it, some people wreck it, some people make it, some people criticize it, some people appreciate it, some people worship it, some people acclaim it, some people adore it, and then what happens is all these reactions will come back to the place of its origin. That's the mind of the poet. Understand that? That's a good boomerang, you can say. It's a kind of boomeranging effect. Boomerang means it's something used in Australia. Boomerang is a weapon used. But it's, when you send it, it will come back to you. Of course, that is in a negative sense. You send something and it will come back to you. No. But in this case, it is gratitude. Super. There's a poem about gratitude. That's what I would say. Of course, you can also say that it is about if you do any good, it will come to you. See? Or that it is cyclical in movement. Or nothing is created or destroyed. Transcendentalism. Of course, he was a poet of transcendentalism also. Walt Whitman's transcendentalism is also very famous. See? And then you can think about Nishkama Dharma, or lots of things we can apply. For example, the rain doesn't expect anything from you. It rises, then it rises impalpable, it goes up, then after when it is time, it comes down. Its main idea is first to give life to earth and all the living things and living beings on earth. So that's a very beautiful cycle. The cycle is just like our life. Our cycle is complete. Our life cycle will be completed only when you beautify day and night, when you purify, when you beautify your own origin. Your own origin means your parents. Very important. So we will continue with this tomorrow. Till then, bye. Have a nice time. But read this and keep this in your mind. Let's wash our hands and flush out corona. Last week it was break the chain and break the chain, and what was it? You know, break the chain and crush corona. Break the chain and crush corona. This week, this week for you. So this is this week for you. So bye. See you again. And in the next class we will discuss the poetic devices and other connected things of this poem. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.